Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this paper crafting tutorial. This is the card I have to share with you today. This uses totally die cuts and pattern paper, no stamping at all. Really simple card to put together. And this features the Snowy Scenes Designer Series paper and our new Ephemera packs. So let me show you the paper quickly. This is the Snowy Scenes paper. You can see this sheet has all these wonderful snow globes. And so I cut one of these out here that you can see. And then I've cut another one out with the base that we're going to use for today's card. And these actually coordinate with the Snowy Wonder dies. And these cut out all these images like the snowman, the different sized, snow globes and such things. And then of course you have the matching stamp set, which I'll show you in a second, which is this one here. So all of these products coordinate together and it's so much fun to play with. Okay, so my card base is going to be Poppy Parade. I used a piece of the Designer Series paper. Now you can see I've got this pattern on the back and this one on the front. I think I'm going to just have a look and see, but I think I'm going to use this one instead today. So let's get some glue, my nice Tombow liquid adhesive, and I'm going to put this on the front of my card base. And this is, as I said, Poppy Parade standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then my pieces that I'm sticking down now measure 14.35 centimeters by 10, and this is just a piece of basic white that I'm going to use for an insert. So let's put that in the inside, and then I'm going to put this little strip of paper, I think, just across the bottom here, just for something, and this is just a scrap from cutting my pieces out. This is a great way to use up your scraps and add some interest to your card. So just try and get that straight. Something like that will do. There we go. Okay. So now we have our piece here, and this one will sit something like that. But let's see if we can find some extra things to zhuzh this up a bit. So I'm going to first take out these are the Joyful Sayings Ephemera pack, and you get 2 sheets of each design. And let's look for something that will match this. So I've got here, Just for You, Happy Christmas, 'Tis the Season. Then you've got Let It Snow. Let's have a look at this. You've got Holly Jolly, Sending Cheer, Celebrate. Don't want 2 stripes together though. Let's see what else we've got. Those are quite big. That's very big. Let's see this one that says Sending Cheer. See how that looks. Well, that looks quite cute, doesn't it? Sorry, I'm not totally in frame. I think that looks quite cute. If you pop that up, that would look nice. Sending Cheer. It looks nice against the green at least. So we've got our sentiment there, I think, so that's good. As I said, these are just the Joyful Sayings Ephemera pack, and I've just put them in a spare stamp case and then labelled them on the side for storage. And then I'm going to take out the Joyful Images Ephemera pack, and we're going to see if there's anything here that we can use. So let's have a look and see. There's a bell here. Let's see how this would look. I think that looks cute. And let's see those pieces. Let's see these ones here. Whether this would look nice. We have that there, and then maybe something like that. Yeah, I think so. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got these. Let's see. It's a bit too busy for me. We could have a bow. We could have some poinsettias. We could have a little star. That would be nice. Let's take the star and put it on the top of the tree. Isn't that cute? And this is how you can go, just checking and finding bits and seeing what works, what doesn't work. Instead of having the bow, what about that? Bring some more leafy bits around there. I think that will look good. Let's close those up. We already looked at that one. It's the same as the first one. And then we have more here. And we have a smaller star here. Let's have a look at this and see how it would look. Oh yeah, that's cute. Let's see here if we needed another piece. Yeah, I think that looks nice. I think we've got sufficient, or for me anyway. I'm not somebody who tends to crowd my cards with lots of stuff. So what do you say to that? That doesn't look so bad. So let's stick everything down. I'm going to pop some of these up as well. Okay, so let's put some glue on the back here. I think we're going to have that just around there. And then I'm going to put the base on. Like that. And then I'm just going to stick this down a little bit at the top here. Just get the glue off my fingers. Just want to make sure it's covering everything. And then I think we're going to pop this up in some dimensionals, so let's get those out. There'll be plenty. Just get these backings off. Now if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see the supply list and the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post, and you can find that the link to that in the description box as well. So let's pop these stars up on some of these. I call them baby dimensionals, but I think the real name is minis or something. I call them babies. I think this one is too small to pop up, so I'm just going to put a dab of glue there. And put that on top like that. I can see the glue's all gunky, so let me clean that up quickly just with the tissue. Okay. Let's have a look and see. Sending chair. I think I'm going to pop this up as well with some dimensionals and a baby one. And there we go. I love the ephemera packs and pattern paper for making really easy and fun quick cards. Do you like to use ephemera packs, or are you very much just into stamping and nothing else? Let me know. I'd love to know. So I'm going to just stick these down with some glue. Just a little bit of glue there, and then just a bit of glue there. I think we're going to stick this one down as well, just with glue. There we go, really simple and easy. Okay, so let's set that aside and think of some embellishments now. Let me have a look what I've got. Sorry, making a noise. This is how I store my embellishments, in little pockets just in this, so just have a look and see what I've got. We could do some of, let's do some of these. These are the gold textured dots. I think these will work nicely, maybe not. Because you've got that metallic there, I'd like to get something metallic, so let's have a look and see what we've got that's metallic. Brush butterflies, dapple dots. Aha, I found something. This would work perfectly. These are our neutral sequins. I'm just gonna use a few of these. This is going to bring some of that metallic to other areas of the card, and I'm going to keep on the sort of diagonal theme here. So just like that. So there we have, clear the decks. There we have our two cards. I hope you like them. If you do, I'll be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up. As I said, you'll find all the measurements and everything on the blog post. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.